Alright, we got Monos here and Burden. You can explain what's all done to it.
So it's a stock Subaru. It makes about 200 wheel horsepower.
Jesus, thing's massive.
Nothing special, just 200 horsepower. Nothing crazy, you know.
Is that STI motor or WRX?
Alright, so we'll do the full details then. So it's an STI motor that's built, it's a JDM STI motor. It's got melee rods, the H-Tough rods, it's got CP pistons, a brand new cross-zero nitrated crank. It's got stage 2 crawler cams, they're 264s. And the turbo is a Borg Warner S362 SXE. And I have 1000s and a Dutchworks 300 fuel pump. I made 452 wheel horsepower and 350 torque at the wheels.
Not bad.
So she's pushing some power. Got tuned down at the boost creep.
That's a cool sticker.
But yeah, we'll go cruising.
Let's go.
Subscribe to Tuner Freak on YouTube.
I'll put it in the description.
So y'all can see some badass Subarus and whatnot.
Yeah, you can check out his car in there.
Once it starts snowing, we'll have some more fun too.
Yeah. And you know what's been done to Burdens.
Jack shit.
Quick.
Yeah, moves.
JDM as fuck. Except for Burden. Frickin' Audi. Are so even.
When I shit,
I got this car from a guy. He's the original owner. He had it for 22 years.
Damn. Yeah. This thing is fucking insane.
And it's built for 51 PSI. It's on 23 right now.
Jesus. It's an insane setup. Fuck yeah.
gang.
That catch can that just hangs back there off the...
Damn. Look at that. It's so flush.
You're learning how to be a race car driver.
Damn, Hayden.
got the I got a gauge. I got a cable with a gauge.
All right, so our night got cut short.
Yeah. Ended up getting in an accident. But the whole hood was bent in half, and my front bumper, the grill was smashed off. The grill was off of it. The front mount, the top of it was completely like caved in, so the top of the front mount was smashed in. My oil cooler was completely destroyed. My AC condenser got smashed. Everything was pretty much pushed in, and the grill just popped off.
Yeah.
Um,
So since that oil cooler was punctured,
we had to tow it home.
Yeah. So we didn't get very many
other than
races.
that, it ran, but it looks so stupid.
Yeah.
The hood was completely fucked. You can see where it bent right here.
Yeah.
So it's literally just pushed it back down, and it was fine.
It doesn't even look bad.
It's not too bad. It's all cosmetic shit. You know, it sucks the night ended that way, but you know, it is what it is. Shit happens.
Yeah. Moral of the story: just be cautious at car meets.
Yeah, be real fucking cautious, because shit happens. So
Yeah.
but she good now, so she good.
Dope. So we're gonna do a little work on AJ's Audi. I ordered the... Yeah, go for it. Whoa! Goodbye. Oh shit, the wall.
Did the timing chains, tensioners, and guides. Drove it for like 3 days. Started idling like a fucking NASCAR. And so took it back apart because I thought I did the timing wrong. It was on the money. Did some brainstorming and talked to some other people. I thought that possibly it could be this. It's a VVT solenoid, variable valve timing. And I got the new one. It's actually in. But
It was right there.
yeah, it's right in there. Takes a special tool to come out reverse. Goes in there. But on the new one, this piece right here, if you can kind of see it right there, how it's pushed out, it's flush on the new one, and this one's popped out. So something must have got lodged in here or something, and it's not It's not functioning.
It's constantly advanced.
Yeah, so it literally you get like 2 miles to the gallon.
It's basically like if VTEC was stuck open.
Exactly.
That's what was happening to your Audi.
So it was a simple fix, but I chased it for a little while.
So it's been down for a little bit.
I overthought it, but then I was like, okay, let's try something simple, and did that.
Now it runs great.
Now it runs great. So now, time to put it back together. Charlie's gonna give me a hand. I'll throw the grill on. I can finally put the new grill on I bought for it and haven't even drove around with it. Put the headlights in, and we'll call it a wrap.
Audi, the world's shittiest car. Slow, expensive, breaks all the time. Nothing compared to a PT Cruiser. Total trash. Ow! There's a pothole. Dude, the PT Cruiser is so camouflaged, like blends in with the trash, because it is trash.
Or out, bro. I'm like asking. Damn, that was dope.
So it's all back together, except for that one piece. Honk the horns. Hey, look, it's like... Look at those horns. Oh, God. God, that's so loud.
It sounds like Jeepers Creepers, bro.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, Charlie. Neutral drop.
Look at this. This is the real race car. Trick or treat!
Halloween fucker.
Almost for. Alright, let's see this. First startup.
Keep going. There. That's fine there. I just need more room to film.